Hi guys, so today we're going to read a Clifford book. And the Clifford book's name is Teacher's Pet. Let's get started. Welcome to doggy school, everyone, said Brittany Spinel. We're going to have lots of fun together. First, I want each of you to roll over. Cleo, you go first. Cleo rolled and rolled and rolled. That's enough rolling, Cleo, says Brittany, laughing. Well done. Now it's your turn, Clifford. When Clifford rolled, the ground shook. Everyone went down with him. Wow, Clifford, you make a big impression, said Brittany, standing up. His shape got into the ground. Mac, you're next, says Brittany. But Mac wouldn't budge. No matter what Brittany did, he refused to roll. Would you do it for a treat? He asked. In one motion, Mac did a roll, sat up, and gobbled his treat. Brittany laughed. That was very good, Mac. Ready, T-Bone? At first, T-Bone was too nervous. Then he crouched down, did one careful roll, and smiled. That was just fine, T-Bone, said Brittany as she turned to the other dogs. T-Bone's smile went away. Just fine, he thought. But I did a good roll. Why didn't she like it? Maybe tomorrow will be better. The next day, Brittany taught a new trick. Now I want everyone to fetch this ball. Clifford, you go first. Brittany threw the ball as far as she could. Clifford ran and ran over the trees and into the ocean. When he returned with the ball, Brittany smiled. That was excellent, says Brittany. Cleo, you go next, says Brittany. Cleo brought the ball back. And then a newspaper, and then a stick. Cleo, you're doing very well, said Brittany encouragingly. Your turn, Mac. Once again, Mac did not move. Okay, Mac, how about another treat? Asked Brittany, smiling. Away Mac ran after the ball. He dropped it at Brittany's feet and gobbled up the treat. When T-Bone's turn came, he quickly brought the ball back to Brittany, panting hopefully. Thank you, T-Bone. That was just fine, said Brittany. Later, T-Bone said, Clifford, I'm trying my hardest, but she only says I'm doing just fine. Believe in yourself, T-Bone, says Clifford. We all think you're doing great. All the other strong dogs barked in agreement. At the end of the week, Brittany said, You've done all wonderfully. I see you at graduation tomorrow. T-Bone gulped. Graduation? I want the biggest trophy ever, says Cleo. I want Emily Elizabeth to come see me, says Clifford. I want lots and lots of treats, says Mac. I just want to graduate, said T-Bone quietly. All my dogs did very well this week, said Brittany. The award for most enthusiastic student goes to Cleo. The award for making the biggest impression goes to Clifford. The award for the best tricks for treats goes to Mac. And The award for the hardest working student who always tried his best goes to T-Bone, and that made T-Bone feel just fine. So that was the book Clifford, Teacher's Pet. I hope you liked it. Bye!